So today we're going to polish and clean the pots and pans. So I'm going to show you, you want to have this item here, Barkeeper's Friend. You want a green scrubby, and you're going to need some hot soapy water in your sink. Okay, the other thing is, while somebody is scrubbing these, if you'll look in the cabinet here, all of these gross marks will come up. You just need to use hot soapy water, scrubby, and all that stuff should come off the shelf. So you need to get that clean too. So you're going to take, and you're going to get a little bit of water, not much, and you're going to take and use a lot. Woo. That. Okay. Then you take and you just start scrubbing. Okay, and you're gonna have to use a little bit of elbow, but you will notice that as you go through and work it, all of that stuff is gonna come out. And you might need to take a couple turns at it, but let me show you here. I'm gonna take and wash this off in hot soapy water, and you'll see that that yellow yucky stuff is now gone. So that's what you're going to do today, is polish the pans.